All right, we're going to continue with day 2. The day 2 instructions say, rewrite the mentor sentence exactly as it is written, but skip lines in between. Label all of the parts of speech that you know in this sentence. Now, hopefully you've already watched some of the parts of speech videos that are in your language arts course for this week. And this will be a little easier to do. But when we were working on day 1, I already went over most of the parts of speech in this sentence, so that should help you as well. So on the next page, under day 2, I've rewritten the sentence, Sarah's hands were cold and clammy, and notice that I skipped lines in between. So I'm going to go back and label the parts of speech in this sentence. So let's start at the beginning. Sarah's hands. Sarah is a noun. So I'm going to put noun underneath it. And we discussed that the apostrophe S in this sentence makes it a possessive noun, meaning that something belongs to Sarah, but I'm just going to leave this as noun. Her hands are things, so hands is a plural noun. It has an S on the end also, but it doesn't have an apostrophe. So this S just means plural, more than one hand. This S on the end with the apostrophe means possessive. These hands belong to Sarah. Were, this is the verb in the sentence. Cold and clammy. Cold, clammy are the words that describe Sarah's hands, and words that describe a noun are called adjectives. So we're going to label this adjective. And this adjective is spelled A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E. And now we have just one word left, and. And is a connecting word that connects together these two adjectives. And that connecting word we call a conjunction. Hooking up words and phrases and clauses is the job of a conjunction, as you will see in that song, Conjunction Junction. All right, now let's look at day 3. Revise the mentor sentence by making it more descriptive or exciting. Try adding or changing adjectives, verbs, or specific nouns. Remember to keep the meaning of the sentence the same. So we're going to look at the sentence, Sarah's hands were cold and clammy. And we're going to see if we can make it a little bit more exciting, a little bit more descriptive, or change or add some words so that it gives a little bit more information. But we can't change it to a completely different sentence. So, let's start with Sarah's hands, because we're not changing what the sentence is about. But we can add something in here. Were cold and clammy. Now, we could put in there a different adjective. Instead of saying cold, we could say frigid or chilly.
Hi.